Hello, my good farmers, my good viewers. How are you? I hope you're good. This is K Farmer. This is Laikipia County, and today is early morning. Sun rays are up, and we are inspecting our crop for anything that could prop up with this rainfall that we're experiencing at this time. Our onions are doing well, apart from the challenges that come along with the rainfall, but also our onions are responding so well due to the free nitrogen splash that we get as the rain pours. So why is it that I'm doing this video? I'm doing this video to tell you that whatever you feed will always grow. If you have the right population of onions, if you feed your onions well, and if you do control of disease and pests, your onions will be very okay. Today I want to specifically touch about the diseases that comes along with the rains. One thing that we need to note that as the rains pours, there is a lot of fungal infection that will come along to your leaves. Onions leaves are very sensitive. Let me show you how it happens. You see, a healthy onion that is not infected with the disease will always look, if you want to know its health, will always be up. But an onion that is being affected by any fungal infection will have such kind of a character, of a shape. So once you go to your farm and you're inspecting and you find that a lot of your onions are bending, know that those onions, there is some infections in it. It could be bright, it could be downy, it could be purple blotch. Any fungal infection that could be coming can affect your onions. That's a sign, early sign indicator that your onions are getting sick. You see, like this one, this is now signs. Let me uproot it and observe this onion when it was being transferred here, because I can see it's getting its rotten here towards the root zone. So these onions, this problem could have come from the nursery, and this could have been as a result of dumping off from the nursery. The onions have been struggling, so once the rain starts, you can see instead of it going up, it just dies. That is one indicator of a disease that you can likely find in your onion field. Dumping off is not a major disease in the main field. The major disease here is this. Now you see this is bright that is coming. It kills and eats from the leaves. So the best way as we approach this is our control measures and our preventive measures. Our preventive measures of this is to always have ready, for example, copper. I normally use a lot of copper to prevent when the conditions are not there. You use copper, but when the disease is already here, now we come to the curative method, and you can use carbendazim as one of your method. You can use actually I normally use carbendazim as the main approach that I have, but there are so many other molecules that are known to cure any fungal infection on onions. So keep in mind that you need to have a lot of curative approach during the rainy season, and I've just mentioned that carbendazim is one of the molecules that you should check out in the chemicals that you are using. For example, you can use a product like Trinity Gold, has 2 molecules. You can use something else. Trinity Gold is like Ramson, is another has 2 molecules. Ridomil Gold at this point is very important. It can help cure and protect onions from getting infected from this fungal infection. So that is the key point. Remember, the onion leaf is the factory of your crop. So if the factory is affected, definitely your yield will lower down. Keep learning. That was a healthy discussion about taking care of the leaf of the onions, and make sure that you keep subscribing, keep learning. Learning is endless. This is K Farmer YouTube channel.